In this video, I will show you how to remove extra space in Microsoft Word document. So you have some extra line space or 2 line, 3 line you want to remove in just one click in your document. So click here, paragraph, and underneath spacing there is the option line spacing. So select here single. Also select this box, don't add space between paragraphs of the same style, then click on OK. But make sure you have to firstly select, then here now select single. Also you can select the more options. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.